Here I got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have, and in my case it will be English, UK, and then tap on Let's Go. Now you can enter the SIM card or you can skip it. I will skip it for now. Then connect your device to the Wi-Fi. So in my case it's HardReset.Info. Wait until it's connected. Now give your device a sec to check all the updates. Now you can copy apps and data from some other phone if you want to, but I will not do it now, so don't copy. And here you can log in with your Google account if you have one. I will do it. So in my case it's HardReset.Info. @gmail.com. Then tap on Next and enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. And once it's entered, simply click on Next. Now come along with all the terms of usage of service, so just click on them. And as you can see here, you will be able to read the privacy policy, the terms of service, and once you agree with them, if you do, click on I agree. And now you can enable some Google services like backup. I will do not allow it, or use location, allow scanning. I will leave them and then click on accept. You can obviously unlock with fingerprint, but I will skip it for now. You can set it later. I will also skip the screen lock, skip anyway. You can set it all later and click on continue. No thank you for Google Assistance. I will also not set it up right now. And within a short while you will be ready to use your device. Just click on Let's Go. And now you can change some settings. You can change the wallpaper, also the font size, font style, and all the others. And just start using your device as you want to do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.